Microsoft has officially made it possible to install Windows 11 on older PCs that don't meet the strict hardware requirements. Let's break down what this means and how you can take advantage of it, including a method I personally use. When Windows 11 first launched, Microsoft's hardware requirements like TPM 2.0 and specific CPUs left many devices unable to upgrade. But according to an official post from Microsoft support page, users can now install Windows 11 manually on unsupported hardware. When you go to the latest post from Microsoft in this page, they say that installing Windows 11 on a device that doesn't meet Windows 11 minimum system requirements isn't recommended, which means you can install, and I have done it personally. They continue here saying devices that don't meet minimum system requirements might malfunction due to compatibility. Additionally, these devices are not guaranteed to receive updates, including but not limited to security updates. Also, when you are installing on an unsupported PC, you have to accept this disclaimer that your device does not meet the minimum system requirements. But down here, they've given supported ways to move to Windows 11, which I'll show you in a few. However, they have acknowledged that users may choose to bypass these checks without needing to buy new hardware. So, what do you think about this update? Will you install Windows 11 on your older PC, or are you sticking with your current setup? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. And if you want a detailed walkthrough on my method using Windows Server, check out the link in the description.